So when Krishna glorified the beauty of the full moon on Sharad Purnima, Radha replied by singing. And this is in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu 1.1, and this is part of Jiva Goswami's Tika. Radharani said, "Full moon, which destroys the suffering and creates happiness by its cooling rays, shines everywhere with its excellent quality and beauty. The moon is the very form of nectar filled with all tastes. It eclipses the host of stars by its light and accepts the playful gestures of night and fondly enters the Vishaka constellation in the spring season." So obviously in Sanskrit, can't really catch it much in this English translation, but Radharani is speaking in very intimate and sweet ways here that Krishna is the form, she's talking about Krishna Chandra, that Krishna Chandra destroys the suffering. But she's saying Purna Chandra, Arti Ha or whatever. Arti means suffering and Ha means destroy. But she's actually saying, "Oh Krishna Chandra, you destroy our suffering of separation from you, and you create happiness by the cooling rays of your beautiful love. And your love is shining everywhere with its excellent qualities and beauty." So Radharani is saying, you have the most excellent qualities and you're most beautiful.